Welcome back to another episode of Curves and Coastlines. It's officially strawberry season here in Florida, so I'm going to make a fresh homemade strawberry pie. Alright, so first things first, I pulled the pie crust out of my freezer. I am a sucker for homemade pie crusts. They're super easy to make. I'll do that in another episode. Pulled one out of the freezer. Don't comment on my work. It's not the best, but I can never make a perfectly round circle. So we're going to bake the shell first. I need to poke some holes in it. We'll put it in the oven to bake. We'll let that bake for about 10-ish minutes until golden brown. I got my strawberries all washed and ready to go. So we're gonna get these cut and prepped while our shell is baking. They're good. Strawberries are cut. This is about 2-ish pints. That should be enough. If it's not, I've got plenty more. The timer just went off. Let's pull out our pie crust. Uh-oh, couple cracks. Imperfections show it's homemade. We'll let this cool down just a little bit. Then we'll put our strawberries in and start on the filling. The crust is cooled down. Now it's time to put the strawberries in. I kind of like to go with the whole, or if they're really big, like some of these I'll cut them in half, but I like all my strawberries to kind of be about the same-ish size. I know some people do slices and do kind of a layered look. I just go big or go home. I like the whole strawberries in there. It packs a really nice punch and flavor. So when you get a big chunk of strawberry with every single bite. They're all arranged. Now it's time to make the jello portion of the fresh strawberry jello pie. We're gonna need some sugar, some corn syrup, some strawberry jello, some cornstarch. All right, first things first, you need a heap load of sugar. Need some cornstarch. And a little bit of salt. Next is some corn syrup. we'll get this all mixed. We want to get this kind of all mixed together, and then it'll cook, and as it cooks, it'll start to thicken, and that's when we add our secret ingredient. Got a good thick consistency, and time for the secret ingredient, a little bit of strawberry jello. Get that all mixed in. We simply pour it on the strawberries. Now put it in the fridge to chill. Alright, it's been chilling for a couple hours. Let's pull it out and have a taste. How delicious does that look? Let's cut in and have a slice. Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy my pie. As always, thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss another episode of Curves and Coastlines.